Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, British Pound Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 4th March 2021 Thursday. So this analysis is for Thursday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. So let's jump to the chart. So you can see that right now market is trading at 149.25. Okay. Market made a high of 150.44 and after that there was a huge fall, and from this point 147.56 market is trying to recover. Okay, and if we look at the trend, does it look like higher highs? Let's see. Market made a high again, higher high. Okay, lower high, kind of a higher high, lower high. Okay, if you look at this chart, then things are pretty confusing, is not it? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's jump to the 4 hours time frame to get a clear picture, because the picture is not clear in the 1 hour time frame. Okay, in a 4 hours time frame, the picture is very clear to us right now. Okay, market was in beautiful uptrend. Market was respecting the 50 moving average. This is the 50 moving average very beautifully. Okay, market was going up, and from here market started falling. Okay, and you can see that, and how beautifully it has taken support, or it took support at the 50 moving average. Okay, just look at the price rejection. Okay, how beautifully it took support and went up a little. It was struggling because see, after this kind of a fall, okay, market will stumble, market will struggle to go up. Okay, because the selling pressure is or was still present. Okay, but more or less market was respecting the 50 moving average, and the good news is market is still trading above the 50 moving average. So what should be the strategy for today? Okay, you can go for two strategies for today. The first strategy uh, is wait for the market. Okay, the first strategy is wait for the market to go up, cross 150.46 level, then you can initiate a buy order. Okay, if you want to do that, what you need to do is just wait for the market. Okay, boom boom boom, wait for the market to go up. When market will cross this particular level, okay, you should not place the buy order right away. Wait for the market to cross the level comfortably. At least market should trade above this level for 1 hour. Okay, let the market sustain above 150.46 level, this level. Let the market feel comfortable, let this resistance become the support. Okay, at least wait for 1 hour, then only go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, once the resistance will become the support, then you can easily go ahead and place the buy order. In that case, the risk to reward ratio will match. Okay, so so that can be the first strategy for today. Okay, first. And the second strategy can be, okay, you can see that right now market is in overbought zone. This is the stochastic RSI indicator. Okay, market is in overbought zone. Okay, and there is not much volatility in the market. Okay, and that is very clear to us. Okay, we can take a small risk by waiting for some time. Let this stochastic RSI indicator come down to the oversold zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will come to the oversold zone, and after, it is an oscillating indicator, after coming down to the oversold zone, okay, it will try to go up again. Okay, and if you see that when stochastic RSI is moving upward after hitting the oversold zone, okay, and if you spot the price near about this 50 moving average, you can easily go ahead and place the buy order. You can also place the buy order right now, but this would not be an ideal position. Okay, your ideal position would be, or your disciplined trade will be when the stochastic RSI will be in the oversold zone. Okay, when the stochastic, but you should remember two conditions. Okay, first condition is stochastic RSI should be in oversold zone. Okay, and second condition is it should be above the 50 moving average. Okay, these two are the conditions that you need to look for. If these two conditions are met and you find uh, the price near these 50 moving average lingering around or hovering around 50 moving average, then you can easily go for the buy order. Your first target will be this 150.45, and if you see that at 150.45 the price is getting some rejection, you can come out. Okay, and if you see that it has crossed the level of 150.45 level, then just go along. That's it. These two are the strategies. First, you can wait for this line to cross, then you can go ahead and place the buy order once the resistance becomes the support, or wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to this oversold zone, and when it will start moving upward again like this or like this, just look where the price is. If the price is still above the 50 moving average, then buy. Okay, these two are the conditions. So this can be a simple strategy for today for British pound Japanese yen. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check my forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, to get the analysis of other currency pairs, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, for daily market analysis. See ya tomorrow. Good luck.